So yeah, that worked out alright. Just put this cat door in. Didn't use Jigsaw, I think they call them. Probably be the best thing to use, just to make it a bit easier. But yeah, I don't have one of those, so I just used a coping saw, I think they're called. You may not have one of those either, but if you can get a hold of a jigsaw, I'd say that would be the best thing to do, just make it a bit easier. Just chuck this on the tripod. But yeah, so what I did was just, you should get a template with your cat door, and I just draw around that with a pencil, and then you want to put some drill, like put a drill hole here so you can get your blade in, and a drill hole at the bottom, and then one on the corner, just so you can line it up when you're cutting. And when I did the corners, I just drilled like right around the corner, but you may want to just do one on each corner and then cut from one hole to another, and then you just put one side of the cat door on the other side, and I kind of had to hold it like that together, and then just screw the holes in, screw the screws into the holes. Also, you probably want the switches on this side so people can't do it from the outside. And mine, I had to, like, it was a bit tight. Like this door, it was too tight that this door wouldn't open and close properly. So what I had to do there was just get a rasp, just kind of file it down a bit on the bottom and top, so it'll fit in a bit more freely. It wasn't jammed in, so that it was putting too much pressure onto the door. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. If you've got a coping saw, then it may work, but if you don't, if you can get a hold of a jigsaw, they're pretty cheap. Well, they're pretty cheap, especially if you get a second-hand one. Probably just the best thing to do there. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.